So the fire alarm went off again. It went off last week, but I didn't have a chance to film or hit record. So this time I do, and it's kind of light out. It's kind of dark out. It's past dusk, but it's not truly dark out yet. It's like 4:15 p.m. It could be a ghost alarm. It could be somebody pulled the fire alarm when they were stealing stuff to go outside of a fire exit, and they were like, I might as well pull the alarm. Why the hell not? And I'm cold. That's why I'm tearing up. Yeah. Fire alarm pulled by somebody somewhere. It's likely not a fire or anything dangerous. It's just somebody being an ass. Maybe a little kid. Maybe it's a ghost alarm. Maybe it triggered itself. Who knows? So we're all in the parking lot. All employees and then all the guests, all the customers are front.
For the guests, if you know how to read the tape, please know all check lanes can be available. And then, once all of that happens, we can go back to doing what we were doing. Sound fantastic! Yay!
Yay.
I can help out.
You lead the way.
I'm probably just going to call. Oh, it's Sebastian. Here, what time you gotta go?
Might up here at 4:30.
You hear what the traffic's giving?
Not a lot of people waiting by the door, just some. We're going to have a lot of abandoned carts again. And people aren't going to come back to the check lanes for the things that they were buying. Now we're going to have to unload all that stuff, put it in carts, and then send it all back to the departments they came from. Woo-hoo! Now we're just waiting for the all clear and the fire department people to turn off the alarm. Well, actually, the alarm's already off. They just got to clear it. Make sure that nothing is amiss. And that's Emily. Yeah, we got a good number of people waiting to get back inside because they want to do their shopping. They had to abandon their shopping carts. That's life. It's the second time this month the fire alarm has gone off. Second time. Lady, I don't know who you think you are, but you're not going inside the store yet. Nice try.
That's what I was thinking. You get crazy sometimes. He's like, we're outside. What? Maybe I don't consent to being on video. Wait, are you married? Are you under mask?
You're not on video, don't worry.
I'll run in there with you. We'll hold our breath.
There we go. And that's that. Adios.